Mamelodi Sundowns defender has made the move to KZN on loan for the rest of the season, with the hope of getting more game time. Amazulu have confirmed the arrival of Sifiso Ngobeni on loan from Premiership champions Sundowns on a 6-month loan deal. The Sia crew reported towards the end of last year that Ngobeni could make a move during the January transfer window, and it has now happened. After the former Bloemfontein Celtic man struggled to break into the team at Kluwer Club. With lots of competition at Sundowns, particularly in the left-back position, Ngobeni was unable to get into the starting lineup. He made just 2 appearances for Sundowns during the first half of the season, both as substitute in the Premiership. Now that he has joined Usutu, he will be hoping to feature a lot more. Ngobeni will have some time to get accustomed to his new environment, with local football set to return next month. Ngobeni, in a statement, said, "I'm very happy to join Amazulu. I'm looking forward to working hard to please the fans and the president of the club. I'm happy that I'll be meeting up with the right people so that we can help the team to rise. The team has a lot of history and we need to bring joy to the fans so that they can be happy about the club this season by finishing up in the top 4. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news."